Hey everyone, just giving you a little update. No work's been done, but I'm just doing some cleaning up in the garage. Got something outside, getting a little bit of air dry. We'll take a walk around, just have a look at it. This is my Camaro. Yep, that's me waiting for it to get done. Yes, sir. Inside, got some storage. But I also got the dune buggy getting some air. Today's just a shop clean out. Yesterday was too, but I figure I'll make a video for you to at least see what I'm doing today. The thing. So that's all I've been doing. It's the dune buggy inside. Oh, she's dirty. My little footrest. Right. She's dusty. Oh man, look at that dust. Even the body's dusty. You can see the finger smears. Yeah. My rims are even dirty. How's everything looking under here? Oh. She's looking pretty dirty in there too. That's okay. I'll get her running probably within a couple weeks. She's not ready to come out of hibernation yet. Right? Just getting the floor cleaned up. There's the frame underneath with a cloth so I can sit on it and do some work. But there's the new head frame for it. Just sitting with it. And over there's the two floor pans, left and right. It's just a matter of pulling it out. Taking some measurements from these. I'll probably cut them off and keep them as best I can for length, the uprights, because the floor pans don't come with them. So, but yeah, other than that, you know, the door still hasn't done it, anything, because I can't get these out. I've broken 4 bits getting these out, trying to get them out. So now it's resorting to rough play. So yeah, other than that, you know, it's just nothing really going on here. Just playing with stuff and getting it ready. Like, look at that. That looks good up in there. You know, now it's just cleaning up the spots where I had them all welded. There's a little bit of spot over there I got to clean around, but everything else, the seat lies down nice and flat still, so I'm happy about that. It means I put that bar in there nice and straight. But yeah, other than that, that's all what's going on. We'll get some more work done on it probably next weekend. I'm gonna see if I can arrange something to get maybe the frame out so that I can get started. I'm just tight on area space, and now my heater also gave out, so the heater's done. It won't ignite anymore, so I think it's the sparker is gone. Oh well, I'll go and buy a new one this year when they come on sale, and I'll buy one bigger than that. It'll heat this place up nicely. Then there's the pipes, there's all the steel what I used. There's the side panels, original. Yeah, you know, alright, well, take care, have a good one. See you in the next one.